Hello again. Today I'm going to talk to you about prefixes. Prefixes are letters that go at the beginning of a word and change the meaning. There are many prefixes. Here are just a few. Sub, un, dis, miss, auto, telly, by, anti, re, circum, com, contra, inter, pro, and tri. Anti means against or opposite. Auto means self. By means to. Circum means around. Com means with. Contra means against. Means in. Inter means between. Miss means wrong. Pro means for. Re means back or again. Sub means under. Telly means something to do with communications or distance. Tri means three. Un means not. Some prefixes make the word into the opposite meaning. For example, de, defuse, defrost, decode. Dis, dis, disappear, disinherit, dislike. In, incomplete, inadvisable, incorrect. Un, unwind, undo, unlock. Next, you're going to see some words that take prefixes. Can you think of prefixes that can be added to these words? Sometimes you can use more than one. Vision, address, ordinate, mobile, phone, fair, navigate, plane, indication, cycle, establishment, national, wise, way, allow, connect, view, tidy, lingual, accurate, honest, attention, value, information, do, tropical, body, scene, generate. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to pass it on, place a like, and turn on your notifications.